Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment to see how bright does a magnesium fire burn. I've got a strip of magnesium ribbon. Going to light it with a torch. That was extremely bright. It's almost like welding. Now, magnesium is used in a variety of things, from additives to your cereals to medication ingredients. If you look on any kind of cereal, at least most of it will have some sort of listing as ingredients, magnesium, iron, what have you. And like I said, you can get it in most medicines, have ingredients with it in it, and also some over-the-counter medications do also, like supplements. Now this one, I've made it a little thicker down here than just the regular strip. I've bent it over, so let's see if we can get it to burn even brighter. Well, so much for that. Man, it's like I need sunglasses for that. Well, hopefully, I don't know if this will break off like the other one did or not, but we'll try it. Maybe I can hold on to the heavier part itself. I'll tell you what, I'm going to start off with the small part and then burn the bigger part at the very end. Wow. It's like looking at the sun. So magnesium burns extremely, extremely bright. Magnesium is also used in camping fire starters and a variety of other different uses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Brian Baxter Science, and I'll see you next time.